Alright, now I would like to talk about two things in this video. One is the latest update which Samsung has released for the Galaxy Watches, and the second one is a messaging application which is now available on the Galaxy Watches. I'm going to talk about that a bit later, but now let's check out the all new update that we have got for the Galaxy Watches. Now this is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic that I've got here, and this is the Bluetooth variant. Let's go to the settings, scroll all the way down. You will see software button over here. Just tap on software update, and here tap on download and install. You can see we have got a brand new update sitting right over here. This is the security patch for the Galaxy Watch 8 series. It says the device is protected with the improved security. These changes may vary depending on the model, country or network. And if I scroll down, you can see the size is 170.40 MB. This is the security patch for the month of May. The version number ends with AZE1 and the One UI version is 8.0. We are expecting the One UI 9 to arrive very soon on the Galaxy Watches. I will keep you guys posted about that. Now, since this is just a security patch, there is no new features added. If you have been facing any battery drain issues, any lags or stutters, this update should fix those issues. So do go ahead and update this. I also have this Galaxy Watch 8 regular here. Let's check whether we have got the update for this watch or not. Let's go to the settings, tap on software update and tap on download and install. Let's see if we have the update for this watch here. This is the LTE variant of the Galaxy Watch 8 and it says your watch is up to date. Now usually for the LTE versions of the Galaxy Watches, the updates get delayed. So if you don't have it on your LTE version, then you will probably have to wait for it some time. Let's also check if we have this update for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is the 2024 version. Let's check this. I don't think we have got this. This is also an LTE variant, the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, or let's say Ultra. No, we don't have the update for this watch as well. So as of now, I'm seeing this update on the Bluetooth variant of the Galaxy Watch 8 series, especially the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Now let me go ahead and install this update, and I will come back to you guys in a bit and let you know whether the watch is performing well or not. And while this is getting updated, let me also talk about the messaging application which is now available on your Galaxy Watches, and that is Telegram. Yes, we do have Telegram now available. Let me just show you the application here. You can see the icon right over here, Telegram icon. Now this is available on the Wear OS. If you use Telegram on your phone, do go ahead, go to the the Play Store and search for Telegram application. As you can see, we have got the app right over here. Let me just tap on this and scroll down here. We have got some details over here. We've got some screenshots as well. We've got some rating. Let me just tap on the screenshot here. You can see this is how this application is going to look. And let me install. I have already installed it, this by the way. Let me open the application. The moment you open it, you will see this QR code. Let's go ahead and scan this. It says this code can be used to allow someone to log into your Telegram account. To confirm Telegram login, please go to the settings, devices, scan QR and scan the code. So we'll have to go to the settings on Telegram. Let me tap on settings here, and we will have to tap on devices. And here I can add a device. I will scan this. There you go. It just got added. It says new login, and you can see the interface here. This is the Telegram interface, and it actually looks better than the WhatsApp. Let me open a message here, and you can see I have got the mic icon here to send a message. I can send the audio message. We have got the text, that's the keyboard, and we can also open on phone. And if we can go back like this, and if I scroll down, let's see if we have any settings or anything. No, we just have logout button right over here. So this is Telegram for you guys. And we have got about 6 to 7 features here. And on the app, we can send stickers, we can preview the locations, we can view the media and video messages, we can see the location previews, listen to the voice messages as well. So it is definitely feature packed, and if you're a Telegram user on the phone, of course, this is a no-brainer. You can go ahead and install this application on your Galaxy Watch and start using this app. Now let's talk about the update here. Okay, it's still going on. It's just 40% done. I will come back to you guys in a bit. All right, the watch has been updated and it is running very smoothly without any issues. As you can see, when I open the quick panel, there is no stutter or lag here. And when I open the app tray here, you can see no issues at all. Let's open a few applications. Weather app. Let's go back here. Calendar, Samsung Health, phone dialer, messaging application. It looks like the watch is functioning smoothly without any issues. Do let me know if you're facing any issues on your Galaxy Watch. Is there any battery drain? Drop a comment. We can discuss in the comment section. Now, this is something which I wanted to share with you guys. Do go ahead and check out the Telegram app as well. That is available now for your Galaxy watches and any other Wear OS watches. And do update the security patch for me for your Galaxy Watch 8 series. And maybe in the future, we will get some updates for the Galaxy Watch 7 series as well. I will keep you guys posted. That's about it. If you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your Galaxy watches, Galaxy phones, etc., then go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button if you find this video useful. And don't forget to download our Volvus application. It's a beautiful wallpaper application. You will find some amazing wallpapers here, and you can also find some incredible collections. And we have just added the video wallpaper section as well. This was missing for a while, and now it has been added back. So do go ahead and check out the Volvus wallpaper application. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.